Alright guys, so here's the auction floor. So we're actually using Auto Bid Master. I'll show you guys. This is not promoted because they are garbage. This is how their fee system works, FYI. So if you guys are bidding on a car here, if you guys are a dealer, you pay the $600, which is the normal Copart fees, but they charge an extra $250 for a transaction, like just for the transaction itself, like just for them to allow you to bid. Over the fact that you pay $200 for the membership, you have to pay an additional $300 documentation fee. Like literally, there is no reason why you need to pay a documentation fee, period. Because they're charging you this much for the transaction fee. But whatever, you get look at paying around an extra $600 if you're paying through this site. But the thing is that's good. The only positive thing is that you have, once you're into the site, when you pay $200, you have a year access to bid on any car whenever you want. And you don't have to call a broker. Like, you pretty much can bid whatever you want, but you do have to pay those ridiculous fees, unfortunately. But you know, everything, you pay for what you get, and at least we have access. So we're gonna try to get this car within our budget. I mean, we have like 6, about a little bit closer to 7 we want to put on this, but we can't because of the fees. So we're looking at like maybe 54 at maximum. But yeah, when the auction starts, we'll see where it goes. And I'd say 26, I'm assuming. Look at the rich Californians up in here, damn. Oh damn, you got a Georgia. 26th. That's my bid. That's it. That's all it's gonna go. Did I really call that?
Damn, dude, you're really good at this. Bonus time.
No! It messed me up. Don't do the bonus time. The Mercedes is meant to go for 26, period.
Damn, dude. You're hella good at this.
Sold. Alright, that's what I thought. Alright, no one wants a police explorer. Get this shit out of here. Yeah, whoever that wanted this, honestly, my brother's really upset because my brother really wanted this, and the damage is not, like, it's no joke. I mean, the wheel is hella bent, you know, it needs headlights on both sides, the bumper is messed up. I mean, it has damage, but this is a 2015, so, and it only has 37,000 miles. We'll try to go for one with a little bit more mileage, maybe a 2012, 2013, but yeah, we're just gonna have to wait an extra couple more days, unfortunately. But let's just see how much it goes for. It's at 58. I feel like that's all it's gonna go for. It's not really worth much more than that. I mean, whoever that wanted this really wanted this. Like, welcome back, guys. This is day 2. So you guys saw yesterday we won the auction. My brother and me were very excited. He's over here with me right now.
The recording of everything was awesome.
It was honest. I'm gonna set the camera. How do people record in a car? God damn. How am I gonna set you guys up? Anyway, so we're just gonna go pick it up. We have the invoice right here. I don't want to show you guys the invoice because I got my address and we got the, you know, the company's faxing information and all that stuff. But anyways, we have the invoice. Let me try to show you over here, like somewhat over here. That is the invoice from Auto Bid Master. We're gonna go ahead and go down to the bank. So this is how you pretty much do it, the process. You guys sign up for Auto Bid Master, you pay for the membership, you put down a deposit, you win a car, and once you win a car, you have pretty much 24 hours to pay for it, or you get feed $50 an additional day, and you have like 48 hours to pick up the car, or you get feed an additional like $200 for storage fees. So this is some crazy stuff. Obviously, we're trying to just go pick it up right now. and have a peace of mind at the same time. Who doesn't want to go pick up the new car right now? So we're obviously excited about it. We're gonna head down to the bank, do the wire transfer. They said after the wire transfer you have to wait like 2 hours after sending them the proof of the wire transfer and the invoice. We got to send it through email, just take pictures, send it through the email, show them proof. They're just gonna validate the information, and then bam, we're gonna get an email saying we can go pick up the car. So we're gonna do that right now. It's about 9 a.m. We have till 5 to go pick up the car, so that's why we're just doing a little bit early, make sure nothing goes wrong.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. See that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why.
Alright guys, we're heading inside the bank right now, so I'll catch you guys when we head out. Alright guys, so we just got out of Bank of America. Long story short, the guy that was doing the bank wiring was like super intrigued in what I do. He was like talking a lot about my brother's car and stuff, and he was like really interested. He has his own 328i, so it's kind of crazy. Like, and his friend over there has a 335. Let me try to pull up, show you guys what kind of cars. Like, what are the odds of that? Like, the guy that does the bank wiring, huh?
Don't show his license.
Yeah, I'm not gonna show his license plate or anything, but I'll show you guys the side of it. This truck doesn't know how to park. We're just gonna park right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Alright, so there's a 328 over there, and there's a 335 M Sport over there. Not gonna obviously show the plates or anything, but the guy with the 328, he was the guy that helped us out. Good guy. We just got done with the wire transfer, so we're gonna go home, submit the documents. We're gonna send it through email. Just take a couple pictures of the invoice, the receipt, send it to, you know, Autobid Master. Give it around 2 hours, and then the tow guy actually told us that we just sent him our member number and our what is it? The member number and the invoice number.
Invoice number.
I guess no, it's two numbers. What is it? Member number and what?
Member number.
And lot number.
Lot number. Yeah.
Yeah. So we sent him those two numbers, and he's gonna deliver the car for us. So we're gonna be paying about $180 for an hour and a 30-minute drive. I do want to go down there and try to get some footage for you guys, but it is an hour and a half drive, and we can use that money instead for gas on parts that fix the car. So I figured, yo, so I don't even have to go down there. He'll tow the car to us, 180 bucks, not the end of the world. Unfortunately, I can't get as much footage, but I'll catch you guys when the truck comes. All right, guys, a little bit running out here, but we're at Taco Bell. Getting a little bit of a breakfast, and then we gotta go home, submit the documents. Once we submit the documents, we're just gonna be chilling. Probably playing some Black Ops or something, because I got nothing to do today. It's raining. I don't know if you guys can see, so I can't paint my rims right now. So yeah, it's gonna be chilling. We're gonna be waiting. Oh, we already got the food? I guess we're just gonna be going home. That's it, that's all there is to it. All right, guys, so it's raining right now. She's looking beautiful. She's looking beautiful. We're just gonna go inside, eat our Taco Bell, submit our documents, and then I guess we're just gonna have to wait. Yeah, it really sucks we have to wait. I wanted to actually go there, trust me guys, but driving an hour and 30 minutes and you know that you don't need to, it just feels bad. It just does, especially in a BMW. It's a lot in gas, and especially when you're getting a new build, you don't know what you're getting yourself into. So trying to save that 50-60 bucks that we could be using on parts on the new car. So I just got confirmation from Enrique that the car is being delivered in a little bit. Unfortunately, it's stupid dark outside, so I might not be able to catch any decent footage. So I'll catch the car tonight. I won't even touch it. I won't even work on it until tomorrow morning. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. But let's just catch him coming in so we can actually see the car get delivered. It is only 6:34 right now. Oh man, I went with the camera focus. It is 6:34. It is so dark out here, it's just ridiculous. Alright guys, I think I hear it right over here. Might be pulling up. Boy, oh boy. Okay, finally it's here. That's crazy. It is so dark. But there she is. You guys can't even see her. This sucks. This so sucks. This is not good for content. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to take a picture of it on my other phone for the thumbnail, but I'll get back to you guys in a second. Guys, so he's unloading it right now. I just wish you guys could see it. Tomorrow morning, there's so many hidden things about this car I did not know when I bought it. So we'll have to show you guys in the morning. You guys can't see anything, but it's alright. Alright, so he's gonna take her off the trailer. Oh, the lights still work even though they're cracked. She sounds pretty healthy. Not too shabby for a 4-cylinder. There she goes, guys. Luckily, this is a running drive. Got some, oh, should I check the rear?
Alright, cool. Perfect. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Oh my lord, we are so ready. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn her on real quick. 1 second here. Hopping inside. Foot on the brake. She starts up just fine. Okay, wow. Okay, this feels really nice. Let's turn on the lights in here. F chassis alert! Damn. You guys, the bumper is here, which means I have fog lights. There's a lot of things in here that I really don't know what the heck's going on. I don't know this is such a new car to me. I don't know I'm so excited. I'm sure my brother's gonna be hella excited. I got the key right there, the new key fob. That's so nice. Okay, well, another Christmas light of trees right here we gotta deal with. We got ABS, check engine, you know, nothing that will surprise us. Engine temperatures are still low. Radiator is damaged. So I'm just gonna get it up on the driveway as soon as Enrique leaves, which he's leaving right now, and we'll deal with this tomorrow. But throw her in drive. How do you do this? Press unlock button and put her. Oh, okay. Well, all right. Unlock is right here. Drive. There we go. Oh, she's got sport. Oh man, it's got heads-up display. What? What? You're kidding me? This thing is like optioned out. You guys see on the heads-up display? Oh, what? Damn. I'm just gonna bring her up right here. I'm gonna put her in park. And I'll catch you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so this is the morning right now. Me and my brother are up. We're finally up. We're actually going to be starting to just clean up the 335 because, I mean, that 328. I keep saying 335 back there. Yeah, so this is the F30 328. We're actually going to clean her up. She's super, super, super dirty. She's not as bad as we thought. Dirty-wise. Condition-wise, it's a little bit worse than I thought, but it's not a big deal. You know, you should always check out the cars in person before you purchase them, but regardless, you got it for a really good deal. So we're gonna go ahead and wash down the car, see how it looks, clean the interior. They actually gave us the bumper, which has the sensors on it, which, if you guys know, those sensors are not cheap. They're about 50 bucks a piece. So the fact that they gave us all the sensors, the wiring and everything, which is perfect, take it off that bumper, put it on our next, probably gonna go M Sport or something like that. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and clean up the car, show you guys how it looks. Guys, so something that we noticed as we were cleaning the car, as my brother was cleaning the car, I was just watching. Look where this car came from. It came from Liberty Mutual Insurance, which is great. So at least the car we know came from an insurance. The car was not played around with or anything, which is, again, perfect. It was just probably just some parts were removed, which we saw in the trunk. Actually, I don't know if you guys saw it on the trunk, but basically, yeah, I told you guys the bumper was there, and we found the actual intake in the trunk because of the damage. So they actually were nice enough to throw the mass airflow sensor and the intake in the trunk, which is the reason why we have a check engine light. So that's good. But yeah, it just gives us another peace of mind that the car was not messed around with. Again, it drives, so we know that the damages are very minimal. Again, this is just me just talking because I'm very excited. We are just waiting on my brother right now to wash up the car. I mean, this side's looking fantastic, but he's doing something, which is cleaning, obviously, all this stuff off the car, all the sticky stuff, because I didn't do that on this car, and it was a pain in my booty to get it off when it was there for like a month. So he's getting it all off now while it's, you know, fresh. And man, guys, look at that. That is just so clean. And what's crazy that these tires are Michelin's. You know, your boy was never able to afford Michelin's. So that's kind of good. Man, this is so nice. We're obviously going to have to clean up the entire interior as well. But man, look at that. I've seen some F30s with small screens. Like, it's kind of like it cuts off another quarter of the screen. I don't understand why they do that. I'll throw in a picture right here, but this is obviously a way nicer look. The screen is so vibrant, which is really nice. Steering wheel, we got to clean it up. My brother's probably gonna upgrade that to an M wheel because why do they even have that here? But yeah, we're just gonna make sure. I'm gonna get this bumper out real quick, and then I'm gonna help him with the interior while he works on the exterior. Yeah, guys, so the front bumper does come with what's it called, the parking sensors, which is awesome. It does come with fog lights, the grills, which we're not gonna be using any of that stuff, but the sensors, of course, we're definitely gonna be reusing those because they're very, very expensive. And the wiring looks all good to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove all that stuff, put it off to the side, throw away this bumper because it's janky. Fog lights, we're just trying to remove them just in case we need them on the next bumper. I don't know if we will need them. From what I know, the fog lights on regular bumpers do not work on sport bumpers, but we'll hold off to them and we'll just see if we do need them down the road. Just gonna go ahead and remove this as well. And bam, you can actually finally see the dial in the middle there. That looks good. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those sensors real quick. Alright guys, so you guys can see these are the things we ended up salvaging from the bumper. I know we might need the fog lights, you never know. Regardless, I can give to someone that might need them. These things, I end up always needing them, and I don't know if this is going to be the same. It's usually not, but we'll end up using it because, we'll end up using it with the new bumper if it doesn't have one. So this is my sticker that I got on my 335i. I don't know if you guys can see that, 335i gray. And you come down over here, 2014 328i silver. That's not silver, it's gray also, I don't know what the heck. But yeah, I just want to put the stickers there next to some other stickers I like, you know, like JB4, Imperial by my boy, and then obviously Burger Treats. I need to put Keys Motorsports up here too. I got ECS Tuning, BMW Motorsports. I don't know, I just want to sticker bomb the inside because, you know, the inside's whatever. The exterior, you gotta make it look classy still, but inside you can always, it's like whatever. Alright guys, let's cue to the cinematic. If you guys are excited for us to rebuild this 328i, make sure to smash the like button. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think about this build, what we should do to it while it's in the condition that it's at, and whether we should actually just paint match the parts or, you know, wrap it. I'm actually thinking about repainting it. I'm actually thinking about doing it the proper way on this one. You guys let me know. It's one of the newest cars we've ever worked on, so we want you guys' opinions on it. Without further ado, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button again. And remember to stay humble, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.